This is how to make money doing social media tasks to earn big online in Nigeria. In this video, I'll be taking you through how I made over 80,000 naira on this platform. You can see I've cashed out this 7,000. This is almost 6,000. This is 2,000. This is 3,000 plus. This is almost 3,000. This is how I make this easy money on this platform. And you can see I currently have almost 9,000 naira. To withdraw this money, you will click withdraw. You can see withdraw balance 8,900. Maximum amount I can withdraw is 8,873 naira. You can see my bank detail is already attached. You just scroll down, enter withdraw amount. You type the amount. The transfer charge is 27 naira. It will be deducted from this amount. Then I will input my password. After inputting the password, you click withdraw. Look at it. Confirm withdraw. You can see the code from my email. You copy it. You put the code, you click continue. You can see your withdrawal amount of 8,873 naira will be sent into your account within 24 hours. You can see 8,873 naira awaiting processing. So I will get this money in my bank account. How do you make this money? Let me show you. The name of this website is Hawkit. It is a Nigeria website. You see the link below the description of this video. When you use that link, you get to this page. You input your full name, referral username. You use Ask JOFA, then you click sign up, and you will need to make a sacrifice of 1,000. That is only payment you make if you are just promoting products and services for other people on this platform. When you post people advertisement on Facebook, they will pay you 100 naira per post. Instagram will earn you 100 naira per post. Twitter will earn you 100 naira per post. TikTok will earn you 100 naira per post. Using your WhatsApp status will earn you 50 naira per post. Another way you can earn big is by helping people to resell their products and services. Look at it, resell products of top sellers and brands and earn up to 100,000 monthly in sales commission. You click here. All you need to do is to come to this site. You see all categories. You choose your favorite categories. You'll be able to have access to the type of products and services that relate to the category you've chosen. All you need to do is to select any product on this page and you start promoting them on your social media platform. For instance, if you want to help to promote this laptop, the price is 145,000 naira. All you need to do is you click resell this product. Look at it. This is the name of the product you want to help to resell using your platform. You will generate a reseller link by clicking this place. When you click this place and you share it on your platform and somebody decides to buy this product, this website will pay you 14,500 naira. All you need to do is to click generate reseller link. Copy this product details, drop it inside ChatGPT, write a description to promote this product on Facebook. You can see a good description that will help you to promote this on Facebook effectively. So ChatGPT already did a nice job for you. Copy this link and put it on your Facebook. Share it everywhere. And when you make a sales, this platform will pay you 14,500 naira. To sell your own products and services, this is where you create your order. You click my order. You can see social order, purchase order, sales order. If you want people to advertise your product on social media, like to like your post, to drop comment, to subscribe, you click this one. This is where you upload any physical products that you want to sell on this platform, like computer, phone, and all kind of products. This is where you upload them. Why this one is you are going to see any sales that you've made on this platform. That is, if your product have been sold, you'll be able to see them listed here. Then this is my favorite way of making money with Hawkit. Look at it, refer and earn. This is where you pick your link. You just copy your link and you share it with your friends and family members. You can also write an article on all your social media pages to invite people that would like to use Hawkit to make money online. You click invite friends. Look at this message. You can copy all this message and instruct ChatGPT to rewrite for you. You see the result of the rewritten one will be better than the one you input with good description written for you by ChatGPT. All you need to do is to copy it somewhere. You come back to the Hawkit page. There are multiple images. By clicking here, you download the image. All you need to do is to share this on your WhatsApp. You share it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and your LinkedIn. And that is how you do for all this product. And lastly, you can decide to promote your own product. You bring your product to this platform, you register it, you take the picture, you upload it, and people will help you promote like this. But then you have to pay some certain amount for these people to do the promotion, to share your link for you. That is how you make money on this platform. Don't forget to please subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment. I will get back to you. The next video can change your life. You will learn how to earn dollars right here in Nigeria. Watch this video. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video.